Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with a new book, that is Pebbles of Grammar of Class 3 by Galaxy Publication. Let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter 8, Adjectives. So what basically adjectives are, let's study today. An adjective is a word that describes or tells something about people, animals or things. So what is an adjective? It is a word that describes, जो हमें describe करता है या फिर कुछ बताता है. It tells us something about the nouns, that is people, place, animal or thing. Now let's read the examples. The first one says, I wore a pretty gown to the party. Now we are talking about the gown. कैसा गाउन था, इसको कौन डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? इसको हमारा वर्ड प्रिटी डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. मीन्स गाउन हमारा प्रिटी था, तो प्रिटी इज द एडजेक्टिव ओवर हियर. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, द पीकॉक इज अ ब्यूटिफुल बर्ड. सो हाउ इज द बर्ड? इट इज ब्यूटिफुल. Third example, there are 2 cows in the shed. How many cows are there in the shed? 2. The parrot is a green bird. So how is a parrot? What is the color of the parrot? Green. So all these words, pretty, beautiful, 2 and green, they all are describing words, or you can call them as adjectives. An adjective can come before a noun after the verb be, like is, am, are, was, were, or after the doing word, which we call it as a main verb. Now इस लाइन का मतलब है कि हम एक एडजेक्टिव को कहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे. इसको हम एक नाउन से पहले यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बिफोर अ नाउन, या फिर बी वर्ब के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. बी वर्ब में आती हैं ये चीज़ें, इज़, एम, आर, वॉज एंड वर. या फिर जो हमारा मेन वर्ब है, जो डूइंग वर्ब है या जो एक्शन वर्ड है, उसके बाद, आफ्टर द मेन वर्ब. नाउ देयर आर सम अदर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑल्सो गिवन ओवर है. लेट्स सी दोज एग्जाम्पल्स. Mohan is a tall boy. Now if you see carefully in this sentence, they are using tall before the noun boy. तो ये लोग tall हमने कहाँ लिखा है? Boy से पहले, before a noun. Here tall is the adjective. Next sentence, the beggar looks hungry. Now the word look is actually the verb, and hungry here has been put as the adjective. So it has come after the main verb. Next is that body is fat. Now that body is fat, इसमें is हमारा जो है helping verb है, जिसको हम be भी कहते हैं, और it is coming after that word. तो हमारा adjective क्या हुआ? What is our adjective over here? Fat. Clear to you all? An adjective that describes a quality of a person, animal, place or thing is an adjective of quality. Now this adjective we are talking about is any adjective which is describing a quality, means कोई भी किसी person, place, animal और thing की quality को describe करे, उसकी खूबी बताए, तो वो किस टाइप का adjective है? That is called as adjective of quality. Some adjectives of quality are, now they have given you the examples over here. Let's read them. Small, tall, round, old, young, fresh, stale, fat, hungry, thirsty, new, naughty, brave, thin, sweet, bitter, long, short, green, blue, lazy, honest, good, costly, busy and red. So these are the various of examples they have mentioned over here for adjective of quality. Other examples have also been mentioned here. Let's read them. The cow is a useful animal. So useful is the adjective over here. These are fresh vegetables. This is also adjective, adjective of quality. I have a blue car. So what is the color of the car? Blue. So this is the quality of the car. Hence we will call it as the adjective of quality. Let's move to the next page. Now on the next page they are saying an adjective that describes the quantity. Quantity means कि कितने nouns हैं. They are telling you the quantity of people, animals, place or thing, and we call them as adjective of quantity. Now quantity में हमें ये तो पता चलता है कि हम संख्या बता रहे हैं, but this quantity is not accurate. हम exact number नहीं बता सकते इसमें. So here are certain examples given over here of adjectives of quantity include some, little, enough, no, a few, all and much. If you see carefully to all these words, they do not tell you the exact number, but yes, they are giving you an idea कि हाँ कुछ लोग हैं, या फिर थोड़े लोग हैं, या फिर काफ़ी लोग हैं, or you can say they are telling you the enough people, enough animals, enough places or enough things. Likewise, let's read the examples now. The baby likes to play all the time. Now here all is not the accurate number, but it is adjective of quantity. There is a little water. Similarly here little is adjective of quantity. I do not have enough money to buy a new house. Here enough is adjective of quantity. An adjective that tells about the number of people, animal, place or thing is called the adjective of number. Now that adjective that exactly tells you the amount of number of nouns, that is people, animal, place or thing, that kind of adjective will be called as adjective of number. Adjectives of number include to, fifth, several, much, a few, all, many. Okay, the examples are the farmer bought 2 cows. How many cows? 2 cows and an ox. Now an means 1. Many houses were destroyed in the earthquake. Now if we see here, you can say कि many का क्या मतलब हुआ. Many is being used for houses and houses can be counted. So you can know the number of the house. Hence many here will be called as an adjective of number. The next sentence says, I waited for her for several hours. Now similarly, several is used for hours. Hours can be counted. There are 24 hours in a day. Hence several is related to hours. We can say it is adjective of number. So this was it about the various kinds of adjectives. First we studied adjective of quality, second we studied adjective of quantity, and then the third was adjective of number. Now let's move to the exercises. The exercise first asks us underline the adjectives in these sentences. हमें इन questions में adjectives को underline करना है. Okay, let's start with the first one. Little milk is left in the jug. So what is the adjective? Little. Put some jam on the bread. Here the adjective is some. She bought fresh fruits for breakfast. What is the adjective over here? Fresh. My grandmother has grey hair. तो कैसे बाल हैं? How the type of hair are? Grey. This is the quality of hair. The blind man was trying to cross the road. So what is the adjective over here? Blind. Some beautiful butterflies are buzzing around the flowers. Here beautiful is the adjective. There are some students in the library. Some. A monkey has a red face. Red is the adjective over here. Stray dogs bark at the strangers. Stray is the adjective over here. Then the 10th one on the next page. A gentle wind is blowing. In this sentence, gentle is the adjective. Chandigarh is a beautiful city. So, beautiful again, here is an adjective. Kiara is a lazy girl. So, lazy here is the adjective. She bought 2 dozen eggs. What is the adjective over here? 2. There are 4 apples in the basket. How many apples? 4. Denmark is a small country. Small. So this is all about question number A. Let's move to question number B. The question number B says fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. आपको यहाँ पे suitable adjectives अपने आप करने हैं. Okay. So let's start with it. The first one is add dash sugar to the coffee. You can write any suitable word of your own. I am writing here. What should I write over here? I should write over here little. I am writing little. Add little sugar to the coffee. The teacher asked dash questions to the students. So the teacher asked few questions you can write over here. Next sentence. I have a dash bicycle. Now I am writing over here the color. I have a blue bicycle. Next, fourth one. I would like to drink hot tea. Okay. Then the next, common cold is a dash disease. Now this question you will do. Let's move to the next question. We should eat dash fruits and leafy vegetables. I am writing over here fresh. Seventh question, the grapes are dash sour. S-O-U-R, sour. We work for dash hours every day. Here we can write any amount of number. We work for 6 hours you can write. You can also write several hours, anything you can write. Then the next question again, 9th one is for you children. Dash students are absent because of rain. I am writing over here many students. Then the 11th one, the leap year has dash days. So I am writing over here 29. 29. The last one, the monkey is a dash animal. I would write over here naughty. A monkey is a naughty animal. So this was all about exercise question number B. We have completed it. Let's move further. When we move further, we will find another introductory part they have given you about the 3 forms of adjective. Let's read about it. An adjective may have 3 forms. Adjective की 3 forms हो सकती हैं. The first one is positive degree, then the second one is comparative degree, and the third one is known as the superlative degree. Now the examples given over here are there. We can now read them. Meena is a tall girl. Now the word tall over here represents it as the positive degree. Then the second sentence is Myra is taller than Sarah. Now here this taller word represents the comparative degree because the height is actually measured between 2 people, Myra and Sarah. A comparison is being carried on in this sentence, so we are writing over here as taller. On the next page you will find the third sentence says Ginny, or you can call it as Guinea also, is the tallest of all 3. Now when we are comparing among more than 2 people, more than 2 persons, we are talking about more than 2 people. So you will write the superlative degree, and hence we have got 3 words now: tall, taller and the tallest. So these are the 3 forms of adjectives. Let's move to the next page. Since we are clear with the 3 forms of degrees of adjectives, Let's now study a little bit in detail about them. We use comparative adjectives to make comparison. हम लोग comparative adjective का use तब करते हैं जब हमें comparison करना हो, यानी कि हमें तुलना करनी हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस कार इज़ बेटर देन दी अदर वन. एक कार की तुलना दूसरी कार से हो रही है, उसको कंपेयर किया जा रहा है सेकेंड वन से. सो हेयर वी आर यूजिंग दिस वर्ड बेटर. दिस इज कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. शी इज़ फीलिंग हैप्पियर नाउ टुडे. ओके, नाउ शी इज़ फीलिंग हैप्पियर नाउ टुडे. दिस इज ऑल्सो कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. We need a bigger house. हमें एक बड़ा घर चाहिए. This is again a comparison of the present house with the another one. We use comparative adjectives when we compare two things, person, place or animal. We use than after a comparative adjective. Okay, ज़्यादातर आप देखोगे कि हम एक comparative adjective के बाद ये word than use करते हैं. Okay, then the examples are also given over here. Let's read them. She is taller than me. India is bigger than Pakistan. Virat is a better captain than Finch. Okay, we use the before superlative degree. Now they are saying जब हम superlative degree का इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो हम उनसे पहले the use करेंगे. जैसे कि he is the tallest boy in the class. This is the superlative adjective and the is used over here before the adjective. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Again, this is our superlative adjective and we are using the before it. So this was all about comparative adjective and superlative adjective. Let's move to the table. Here are given some adjectives with their three forms. So their three forms of adjectives are given over here in this table as example. Let's read them. The first word is small. This is the positive adjective. और अगर इसके आगे हम इसके और दो adjectives पढ़ेंगे, तीन forms पढ़ेंगे, तो small changes into smaller in comparative adjective and smallest in superlative adjective. Similarly, big, bigger, biggest, tall, taller, tallest, fast, faster, fastest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, long, longer, longest, good या अगर well हो तो good और well के लिए same words use होंगे, that is better and best, much, more, most, many के साथ भी यही यूज होगा, more and most, bad या ill है तो worse और worst, beautiful का बन जाएगा more beautiful and most beautiful. So this was all about the table. Now let's move to the next page. Here they have given us some exercise about these comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives and positive adjectives. Let's do this exercise. The question C says complete the table. We have to fill the table. Let's do it. The first word is great. Comparative में इसका बन जाएगा greater. Superlative बन गया greatest. The next word we don't know. They have given here larger. तो positive इसका होगा definitely large. This again has been done for you. It becomes now large, larger and largest. Next word is cold. ये बन जाएगा colder and this is done over here coldest. Then we have a blank over here. What is the word over here? Faster. तो positive पे क्या बनेगा? Positive degree will be fast. Fast, faster, fastest. Then we have many, more, most. Bad, worse, worst. Short, shorter. shortest. Young, younger, and youngest. Now better, they have mentioned, we will write here good, better, best. The 10th word is wonderful. What will be the comparative degree of wonderful? We will write here more wonderful and most wonderful. So this is it about question number C. Complete the table. Now let's move to the next question. The D question says fill in the blanks with suitable form of adjectives given in the brackets. हमें given brackets में से suitable form of adjectives लिखने हैं. तो let's begin with the question. The first statement says a giraffe is the dash animal. Now if you look closely to this sentence, they have mentioned the word the, and what indicates that here the superlative degree will be used. Hence we will write this word tallest. Then the second sentence, this flat is dash than that house. Than हम कब यूज करते हैं? हम यूज करते हैं than comparative degree में. तो क्या आएगा? better. Third, usually girls have dash hair than boys. Again a comparison is being done over here, so we will write over here longer. Fourth sentence, Maggie is 2 years dash than Tom. Again younger will come over here. Fifth sentence, your shirt is dash than mine, whiter. Sixth sentence, the blue whale is the dash animal on the earth. We will write largest. Seventh, gold is dash than silver. Then again is here written, then we will write more expensive. More expensive than silver. The last sentence, Roma is the dash of all her classmates. सभी classmates की बात हो रही है, the को भी use किया गया है. We will use the superlative degree, that is tallest. So this is it. We have done question number D. Let's move to the next question. The next question is E question. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives given in the brackets. Again they have to fill the correct form of adjectives. The sun is the dash star to us. Near word दिया है, आपको near adjective use करना है, उसकी सही डिग्री को इस्तेमाल करना है. What will come over here? Nearest. क्यों हमने यूज़ किया है नियरेस्ट? क्योंकि यहाँ पे द मेंशन है. द यूज़ होता है सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के लिए, तभी हमने नियर की सुपरलेटिव डिग्री नियरेस्ट को यूज़ किया है. सेकेंड वर्ड इज शी इज डैश देन हर एल्डर सिस्टर. ब्यूटिफुल, तो यहाँ आएगा मोर ब्यूटिफुल. इट इज़ द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. नेक्स्ट इज द चीता इज द डैश एनिमल. Now the cheetah is the dash animal. Again the is used over here, so we will write here fastest, the superlative degree of the word fast. Next, a knife has a dash edge, sharp. It is just a positive degree. Fifth sentence, Angel is the dash player of chess in my school. तो गुड का यहाँ पे सुपरलेटिव डिग्री आएगा क्योंकि द का इस्तेमाल हुआ है. वी आर यूजिंग द ओवर हेयर बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव, सो दिस विल चेंज इनटू बेस्ट. गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट होता है ना तीनों डिग्रीज में, बेस्ट होगा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में. सिक्स्थ सेंटेंस, my grandmother is dash than my mother. Active, active का क्या बन जाएगा? More active, because here they are comparing two people, grandmother and the mother. More active it will change into. The last sentence, February is the dash month. Now February is the dash month. क्या लिखें हम यहाँ पे? The mentioned है ना, तो यहाँ लिखेंगे it is the shortest month. So this was all about question number E. Let's move to question number F. Write the opposites of these adjectives. इन adjectives का हमें opposite लिखना है. The first one is tall. Tall का opposite short. Happy, sad. Good, worse. Dark, clean. You can write here shabby या फिर आप untidy भी लिख सकते हो. Wet, dry, heavy, light, active, inactive, rich, poor, healthy, unhealthy, kind, cruel, foolish, clever, young, old, loud, mute, small, big, and careful, careless. So with this we have completed question number F. I hope you have understood the whole chapter adjectives and I have made it very clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Take care till the next video. Thank you all for watching the video. Take care till the next video. Goodbye.